Oh, I got bad news for you.
What? No stuff.
Yeah.
Sounds too good, Bridget.
Damn it, our thing's showing. It's really helping it win.
Why did we think this was gonna be easy? We're installing cabinets for the first time, and my brother and I were fighting for our lives out here. If you missed part 1 of this kitchen reno, the black mold, demo day, drywall, make sure to check that video out. I'll link it here. Now that the space is finally prepped, and since my sister is expecting a baby in just a month or so, we are on a very tight timeline to get these cabinets in. When it comes to cabinets, you can go custom, semi-custom, stock, painted, unfinished, pretty much any combination. Since this reno was a total surprise and not budgeted for, we're keeping costs low with stock unfinished cabinets from Lowe's. They have almost every size you could need for uppers and lowers in a bunch of different combinations, and ordering online was super convenient. We kept the layout mostly the same since we're not changing the floors, but we did maximize storage where we could, including adding an extra upper cabinet above the coffee station and more drawer storage. This is our first time installing cabinets, so we started with the small wall, just 2 lowers and 1 upper, much less intimidating than the other side. And if you have a gap between cabinets or want everything to line up cleanly, you can add simple 1x2 spacers to fill out the space. Also, levels are your best friend. We were checking level like every 2 seconds. For drilling, you can either use the laser line to match stud placement while holding the cabinet up, or measure stud distance beforehand, pre-drill through the back of the cabinet, and just drive screws once it's positioned. We did a mixture of both. Most importantly, you do just want to make sure you're pre-drilling before every screw that you set. For the main wall, we installed the uppers first, lowers just get in the way otherwise. We also added a temporary ledger, just scrap wood, to support the weight while we attach the cabinet. This is super helpful and also helps keep all your cabinets level. You just make sure your scrap wood is level first and you're good to go. To figure out our upper cabinet height, I measured just a few inches down from the ceiling to leave room for future crown molding, then marked a consistent bottom line. Ideally, you hit 2 studs per cabinet for uppers, but if you only get 1 and anchor it in multiple spots, that still works.
Good, Bridget.
Damn it, our thing's showing. It's really helping it win. No, just the right side, just the right side. So I did it right too. I just don't really like how this is coming out. I'm gonna take it out. Okay. This is too ratchet. Get back. I got it. Oh, I'm sorry.
My bad, guys.
Okay, I'm getting really nervous on this. Oh my god. Ow! No, it wasn't you. I just pierced myself really hard.
Yes, I know, Bridget.
There we go. Let go. Let go. Okay.
It sucks, dude.
Hi. Well, you just missed our biggest crash out so far. Getting this stupid thing on camera.
It keeps together, all things considered.
You want to help support this while it's coming down now? Oh my goodness, I get a cameo.
Only that.
Oh, you're boom, boom, boom. You seem real busy. You didn't want to interrupt, I guess.
really don't have a stud, you can use heavy-duty drywall anchors or toggle bolts. We did do this for our skinny upper cabinet here that sat between studs. And I cannot say this enough, levels are everything. We used a laser level for a consistent horizontal line, for vertical lines for stud placement, a small handheld level inside the uppers to check as we installed each one, and a long 4-foot level across the lowers.
All the uppers done? Woo!
Our dishwasher sits at the very end of the cabinet run, so it actually needed its own cabinet to support the countertop. So we built a super simple box out of 3/4 inch plywood, just used wood glue, brad nails to hold it, then pre-drilled and used construction screws for strength.
Oh god. It's powerful, that's what I said at the bottom.
It's a little silly.
Well, you're supposed to have one on each.
Got this. Slay, girl, you boss.
That's a stud.
Nice.
Lowers were definitely easier for us. First, you find the high point on your floor since no floor is level, and start your install from there.
Oh, Bridget, should I have my dogs out?
You afraid of people using them?
Oh, Bridget, not for free.
We used the laser level again to mark a consistent line across the wall, then constantly check to the 4-foot level to keep everything perfectly straight by shimming underneath. So many shims.
Put the door back out.
We screwed the lowers into studs and then connected each cabinet through the face frames using this awesome cabinet face frame jig that made alignment super clean. This part is the same process as for the uppers. The jig keeps the cabinets super tight together and also flush with each other. You can pre-drill precisely and then flip this part up to fit the screw head when you're ready to screw. Also, Cyril did have to plunge cut a tiny bit of flooring so the new lowers could fit. The corner Lazy Susan cabinet was definitely the hardest part of the lowers. The stock versions are typically frameless, so we had to build our own support structure. We added horizontal braces on the wall to support the countertop.
Let me stay here. Stay in your corner. Oh, that's dead level. Ooh, baby.
Please feed me.
And a vertical support on the right for the end panel. I cut the end panel from 1/2-inch plywood and attached it with brad nails and countersunk screws. To finish everything off, I used 1/4-inch plywood to cover all the exposed board cabinet sides. And that's the cabinet install. For our first time, I think Cyril and I did pretty well. In the next video, I'm DIYing the countertops and turning them into a marble look finish. And honestly, they turned out so cool. You definitely don't want to miss it, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next time.